If you love a hearty, comforting meal that comes together in just one pan, you're going to want to try this one. Crispy bacon, golden sausage, tender potatoes, mushrooms, vegetables, perfectly cooked eggs, and a generous layer of melted cheese, all cooked together in one skillet. And the best part? You won't have a mountain of dishes waiting for you afterward. So, let's get cooking! Start by heating a little oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, add the bacon and fry it until it's beautifully crisp. Take your time here, because those crispy edges are going to add so much flavor to the finished dish. Once the bacon is ready, remove it from the pan and set it aside. Now, using the same pan, add the sausage. Cook it until it's nicely browned on the outside and cooked through. Once it has that beautiful golden color, take it out and set it aside with the bacon. And don't clean the pan just yet. All those little browned bits left behind are packed with flavor. Next, add the chopped white onion and minced garlic. Give everything a good stir and let it cook until the onion starts to soften and the garlic becomes wonderfully fragrant. Now it's time to build the heart of this skillet. Add 100 grams of carrots, 100 grams of potatoes, and 150 grams of mushrooms. Stir everything together so the vegetables are coated in all those delicious flavors from the pan. For seasoning, add half a tablespoon of sweet paprika and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Give everything a really good mix so the seasoning is evenly distributed. Then pour in 1 cup of hot water and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir once more, then cover the skillet and lower the heat. Let everything cook gently for about 20 minutes. This gives the potatoes and carrots enough time to become tender while all those flavors come together. Give it a quick check toward the end. The vegetables should be nice and tender, but not falling apart. And now we're bringing everything back together. Add the browned sausage and crispy bacon back into the pan, then gently mix everything together. At this point, you should already have an incredibly flavorful skillet. But we're not finished yet. Not even close. Using a spoon, make 2 small wells right in the center of the mixture. Then crack an egg into each well. Cover the skillet again and let the eggs cook for about 4 minutes. You're looking for the whites to set, while the yolks stay as soft or firm as you like. And now comes my favorite part, the cheese. Sprinkle 200 grams of mozzarella cheese and 100 grams of cheddar cheese all over the top. And don't be shy with it. Cover the pan one more time and let it cook for another 3 minutes, just until the cheese melts into a bubbling, gooey layer over everything underneath. Now lift that lid. Look at that. Golden melted cheese, perfectly cooked eggs, tender vegetables, crispy bacon, and beautifully browned sausage, all coming together in one seriously satisfying meal. Finish it off with a generous sprinkle of freshly chopped coriander or cilantro for a little freshness and color. And that's it! One pan, simple ingredients, plenty of flavor, and a meal that's hearty enough to bring everyone to the table. Serve it hot with some crispy garlic bread on the side and dig right in. That melted cheese, savory sausage, crispy bacon, and tender vegetables make every bite incredibly comforting. If you enjoyed this recipe and want more easy, delicious meals like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe.